Alright guys, here we go, maiden flight PT-17. Safe is on, here we go. Holy cow, she's got a beak for going up there. Yeah, I don't even want to try it with safe off right now. But, holy fuck. That is all the fucking trim, all the way down. Holy fuck, man. That is really fucking nose heavy. I mean, really nose heavy. Other than that, though, she's kind of on rails here a little bit. Not too shabby with this. Holy cow! I mean, totally so nose heavy that this is weird. Okay, okay. I will. I'll take that. Wow. Yeah. They said CG was supposed to be like almost right there, top wing, right? Does that look freaking tail heavy to you? Seriously. I mean, even if I went clear the hell back there, it's nose heavy, man. It's way nose heavy. Listen, I don't know. I don't get it. But that was a maiden. So, wow. Yeah. We're going to do some figuring.